motor's not spinning, but the other motors are spinning. It's connected. Then turn it off. Turn it back on. Yeah, it's not really responsive. I tried everything. I tried to replace the controller with new batteries. I tried to open it up and solder it, like see if it needs any soldering, but everything seems to be soldered together. I don't know why it's not working. I would open the motor, but I don't want to damage it more, so I'm just gonna return it. One more time. So yeah, that's that. All the other motors spin except for this one. Hopefully I can get a replacement, and thanks.